What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're heading to a local street market. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without see. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
This is just down the street from where I live, Russian market area. I think it's called Boeung Trabek Plaza. It's like produce and food market. It's mostly fruits and vegetables so far. Here we go, you turn down this alley and there's lots of stuff. What I'm looking for is more like skewers or deep fried stuff, so I can get one of those and one of those and one of those and try a few things, but on the way we can look at this stuff. It shoots off in different directions here too. I think we'll keep going straight for now. I have to keep moving out of the way for motorbikes. It looks like inside it's more like a shopping center. So I came into the shopping center thing here, and it looks like just a lot of housewares and homewares and cleaning supplies and towels and some clothing and fans and stuff like that. Take a look. Yeah, we're not here for that stuff, so let's keep on going the way we were going before. Just stepping out of the shopping thing and going right. We're driving bikes through these narrow things, it's so crazy. The floor's wet, slippery here, and I have to duck everywhere because I'm too tall. So I'm out on the road now. I haven't found where the fried and cooked prepared food is. This is back where we started. Holy shit. This guy almost ran me over. Come on. Trying to find the fried fish and the barbecued meat. So I guess this has become more of like a local market video, the Boeung Trabek Plaza, because I haven't found the ready and prepared and hot food and fried up barbecued stuff. In some areas they don't start that stuff up till 5 p.m. but I thought it would be going here. I just kind of did a lap around that big department store we went in, and there's this, but I don't really want one of those. I think we were standing at the other end of here before. So a great place to do your groceries. Just have to be careful. There's motorbikes ripping through. We'll start walking back to my area and see. Well, we already are in my area. Back to the building. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and until next time, remember: how you spend your days is the way